Hello, today we are going to see together how to create zones. At the Materials step, click on Zone in the sub-menu. Select the type of zone according to your needs. The first zone will delimit an area on the ground. In the example, an Italian shower. Click on the area and place it where you want. In the customization panel on the right, you can change its dimensions. The three other zones delimit areas on a wall. They are automatically cut out around the joinery. The second zone will be used for a banner between two openings or for window frames, as shown here. You can change its dimensions in the customization panel on the right. The third zone can be placed on a facade. You can adjust its height on the right. And finally, the fourth zone is arranged vertically on a whole floor. You can change its width on the right. And there you go. Now, it's your turn. You can contact us if you have any question. The support team is always there to answer you.